Do you feel trapped with no way out?
Are you tired of your dead-end job?
Looking to find a fulfilling career?
Try a career in manufacturing.
Jobs in manufacturing are diverse, rewarding, and lucrative.
You can start training while in high school at a technical training school.
Or you can attend college, training, or an apprenticeship post-high school.
I went to a O-Tech school. Something that caught my eye was welding, and from there I just kind of went into the field and just ended up sticking with it.
I just applied and I learned the skills. It wasn't too hard to learn.
We have many different positions here between high school diplomas, associates, bachelors, depending on what field you have. There's always going to be something available to have a field here at the facility.
There is one manufacturer who might be the right fit for you.
Stanley Black & Decker is worldwide and goes all over the world.
A career in manufacturing allows for constant learning and growing.
You always want to learn and get knowledge from other people. I've come to learn a lot from the older people that have retired. You learn more from the people that have been in the field a lot longer than you.
Manufacturing careers are cool careers.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
I like working there. It's a good place to be.
Being able to see products form, come together.
Being part of the manufacturing business, it's me personally being hands-on and being able to build something I know is going to be used every day.